Good afternoon. Since I'm trying to figure out what is nuclear fusions for the EPA and OSHA, for the mercury, usually it relates to fossil. When it comes down to fossil, you could say fossil is a mammal, or you could say that any skeletons in our body is a fossil, or a mammal. But when it comes to fossil, it's a small wallet, or a polyester is part of what we wear, or what we use. Fossil could understand what is wallet, and what is a purse that we choose, that we choose, or anything that has crocodile on it, or alligator skins, or anything that relates to purses. When it comes down to thermodynamics, usually it contains that uranium, or mercury. The only mercury I could think of is um, Albert Einstein. He is a scientist. He's also Jewish, and he got married to his cousin. But as for the thermodynamics, there are times that you have to understand what is uranium, what is the windmill, and what is the eclipse. As for the compound, it also contains two energies: the potential engine energy, and the kinetic energy. This considered as zinc, which wears bracelets, or watches. And when it comes down to biology, usually this will contain the plasma membrane, or the cytoplasm, which considered as the infrastructure of the nuclear fusions. When it comes down to lipstick, it contains chromium, and as the chromium does, is just the main goal. My main goal is to figure out the difference between mercury, uranium, zinc, the infrastructure of biology. The dam would be the foundation, which considered as levees. This would be considered as I can't explain what is levees mean when it comes to a dam, because a dam considered as chloric acid, and there are many ways of using chloric acids. But when it comes down to chloric acids, it goes underneath the sewer, and usually the sewer are the ones that you have to be a little bit more careful, because when it comes down to the sewer, it considered as waste products. And this is considered as a molecular science. Molecular science is also a mammal, and this considered as benzene. When it comes down to lipstick, it's a objective. It's an object, but when it comes to energy, it's also objective and subjective. When it comes to any field of fusion, this considered as zinc. I understand molecular science is very similar to nuclear fusions, but it's very similar. But when it comes down to the dams, it's just the basin of the water. And ecology is the science of all mammals inside the water. And when it comes down to net energy, the net energy is the type of energy that relates to the compound, or the cost of all energies, such as natural gas, electricity, anything that relates to to a object, which is lipstick. My main goal is trying to understand which object that we need. Either we need molecular science, or we need nuclear fusions to figure out what is the um, objective object is, and what is the subjective. And as for I use Selena for foundation. Like I said before, there are multiple ways of using foundation, like skincare routine, lipstick, um, lipstick, skincare routine, any serums that we use, because when it comes down to serums, we jot down how many times that we use potential and kinetic energy in our life. And when it comes down to anything that has coffee in it, like for example espressos, or any thing that has latte, mocha, anything that has coffee in it. Usually it relates to potential and kinetic energy, because it does contains what it contains. That's about it.